Good morning everyone. I am Krishnam here. Today we learn about what is Linux kernel module. Linux kernel module is a facility that we add dynamically to the Linux kernel. If you take other operating systems, you cannot directly add any feature or any service to the running kernel. But Linux has a beautiful feature of adding anything to the Linux kernel while the Linux kernel is getting executed in your operating system. So today we see a sample Linux kernel module and we see how we insert this Linux kernel module into the kernel space, and we also see how to remove it from the kernel space. So here I have a sample program here. If you see here, this is my sample code here. So this is my Linux kernel module here. So basically Linux kernel module consists of two functions here. So one function we call it as init routine and one more function we call it as exit routine. So when we are adding any service to the kernel, so that service normally or that facility normally would be implemented in other functions. So but for that work to happen, so before as a prerequisite or a prerequisite work, so we use this init and exit routine. Init routine is a routine which is called when you insert into the module. Exit routine is a function, it is going to be called when you remove module from the kernel. In the init routine, whatever the startup work that we needed for our service, that work, prerequisite work, we are going to do it from the init routine. So now in this module I am not doing any prerequisite work, just I am adding some print case to check whether my init function is getting executed or not. So and same is the case here. So from the exit routine I am also calling some print case statements here to check what my exit routine is called or not. Okay, so this is a basic module here. So in the other lectures we'll see how we extend this module to develop a Linux kernel Linux character device driver. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more videos and learn more about Linux. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.